Best above ground pools. It doesn't matter if you swim to stay fit or beat the heat and have fun with your friends, having an in-house swimming pool is always better than using public pools. And the good news is, you can easily get the best quality above ground swimming pools at an affordable price these days. Having said that, you will also get spoiled for choices, seeing a wide assortment of above pool swimming pools. If you are already confused as to which above pool you should buy, then watch our video for our top 5 picks. So let's start from number 5, which is iPool D set with Deluxe filter pump and heater combination. This above ground exercise swimming pool is easily fits into your basement or garage with small 6 square meter footprints. This one features strong zinc coated and sturdy 5-layer vinyl coated polished wave liner. Patented dual teether system lets you increase and decrease resistance by simply turning a knob. No jet stream in your face or noisy motors. Number 4. Splash Pools Round Deluxe Pool 18 feet by 52 inches. This one is strong, painted, hot dipped 7 inches galvanized steel ledge. The sturdy resin ladder with lift-off outside staircase to prevent unwanted access. It has 1 HP pump and motor. This one includes step-by-step installation video, makes setup quickly and easy, so you will be splashing in no time. Number 3. Summer Wave Above Ground Outdoor Frame Pool Set. This family-sized rectangular pool measures 24 foot by 12 foot by 52 inches deep, made of a durable triple-layer polyester mesh and a durable rust-resistant metal frame that will stand up to heavy use and the elements. Includes SFX 1500 skimmer plus 110 by 120 volt filter pump, filter cartridge, pool cover, 4-step ladder and ground cloth. Number 2. Intex Ultra XTR pool set with sand filter pump, ladder, ground cloth and pool cover. This uniquely designed frame combines high-quality galvanized steel with precision-engineered locking system, enhancing the overall quality, durability, and stability of the pool. Rust resistance, encapsulating inner and outer powder coating ensures the ultimate resistance to rust. This one includes 110 by 120 volt filter pump with pump flow rate 1200 gallon per hour, pool ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover. This one is super fast. It's ready for water in only 45 minutes and also has 2 years manufacturer's warranty. Number 1. Intex 10 feet X30 in Prism frame pool set with filter pump. The Intex 10 feet into 30 inches metal frame above ground pool set is engineered for strength and to help you beat the heat all summer long. The sturdy metal frame is powered by coated for rust resistance and has super tough puncture resistance 3-play side walls that are reinforced with an innovative T-joint system that requires no pins. And affordable and easy to set up is ready for the water in 45 minutes. The capacity of this pool is 1185 gallons. The Intex pool set comes with a pool, introduction DVD, filter pump and filter.